Alright guys, here's the product. This is Heat Tech heating pads for heated floors. Very simple alternative to Dietrich heat. You've got pads. We're going to roll this one out on this long run here in front of the vanity. We have a second heat pad next to the tub and shower. And we're going to wire the thermostat right here on the wall. Alright guys, this is the layout that we have for in front of the shower as well as front of the tub. Now you can cut this netting and spread it out. You have to make sure not to cut the wire, obviously, and it allows you to get more coverage with the heat. So there you go. Cut a couple holes in your bottom plate to get a channel to fish the wire through to hook up to the thermostat. Here's the second mat. This is going to go on the long run in front of the vanity. Here's your wire. Again, cut a hole in the bottom plate, fish it through. All right, we have the mats placed where we like them. One there, one on the long run. It's time to install the thermostat. It's by OJ Microline. There it is. Okay, everything's installed, everything's complete. We have the heating element, heating pads underneath this 12 by 24 porcelain. Everything's wired to the thermostat here. You can set it to a timer to start anytime in the morning to heat the floor. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get heat right above the heat pads, and then it just spreads over. So we have the heating elements right here in the vanity area. We also have heating elements in front of the shower as well as in front of the tub. All's complete. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.